We do all have obstacles in life. One of my obstacles has been this closet in our kitchen. This door has given me gray hair in my head. Simon, you don't have any hair. Okay, it might not work. The problem is that every 6 months, we do get, approximately 6 months, we do get some problems with the door will not lock. And in the past, I have been trying with a measurement to try to measure it up. How much should I adjust it, and maybe should I move it further up, or different things. And it was difficult to find out how to deal with this. This is a minor thing, but it was quite annoying to me. But then I came up with this idea. For other people, this is not a big thing, but for me it was a huge help to place a phone in the closet and record. So I could record when the door is locked and to see what exactly I need to do. To go a little further up and adjust it with a screwdriver, or a little bit this way, and yeah, it solved my problem. Thanks for watching.